Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI, and if you're looking for a way to keep your summer glow lasting well beyond the summer, I would highly recommend looking into this facial primer. It's by Honest Beauty. I love this company because their products are clean, they're non-toxic, and they work really well. I found that this primer helps to give me a nice glow. As you can see coming out of the tube, the primer does have a bit of a tint, but it rubs in immediately. And I like that it's not sticky and it's also not greasy. It's not sparkly, but you can see how it just really gives a glow to the skin. So what I'll do is I'll just put 1 or 2 pumps on my hand. It's really easy to use. I just rub it in as if I would rub in some cream. I'll just rub it all over my face. It soaks in immediately, nice and easily, and I like that it does stay on all day. I can layer it. Here I don't have any makeup on. It just evens my skin tone out. So if you're looking for a great, clean, non-toxic primer, I would highly recommend this one, and that's my point of view.